What's Algosec's dirty little secret, something buyers never ask but should know?
I we are constantly working on new features and growing the capabilities behind the scenes.
What is one challenge that shaped how your company does business today?
I would say that the fact that the cloud we've been working on this cloud part of the product for a couple of years now, and I think we can't just focus on features, right? We have to really look at the different use cases and how everything really ties back to the everyday user.
What's one lesson you learned the hard way that others can learn from today?
Um, don't try to don't try to if you don't know something, you don't know.
Yeah.
I would say like sometimes it's okay to say uh, that we might not know right now, get some more information later.
Yeah.
Um, yeah,
What makes Algosec different from the competitors?
it's that application-centric view and the fact that we could go back to our bread and butter for 20 years has been that on-prem,
Mhm.
that deep dive into the on-prem policies and automations and applications, and now we're just doing the same thing in the cloud.
What's the biggest myth about Algosec's product category?
That we just do policy management.
Mm.
Yeah, that's the biggest myth, which we do a lot more.
Describe your product in 3 words.
Application connectivity anywhere.
All right. What's the biggest misconception about Algosec?
I think it's kind of the same thing as the myth,
Yeah.
where we only do policy management or on-prem even. Like some people don't know that we're doing this much in the cloud.
The future of security in 2025 and beyond, where's it going?
I think we, need to get used to the multi-cloud, the hybrid. I think everybody's going to be some form of hybrid. Again, maybe 90-10, one way or the other. But I think eventually people will see that there's some advantages to both, and you'll need some tools to manage it all, the different vendors, the different providers. I think AI obviously is a big buzzword. I mean, going back to your question from earlier, the buzzwords. AI is definitely a big one, and I think we're working on it. We have some features that are using it already, and I think it's only going to grow.